The best projector screen can make a significant difference to any home theater. They are a must-buy if you're using a wall or even a hung-up sheet. There are many options, so don't just buy the biggest. We researched and tested them all, so you don't have to. In this video we will look at some of the best projector screens for outstanding viewing at home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. Silver Ticket STR16910100 100-inch. If you're looking for the best possible projector screen for your money, you can't go wrong with the Silver Ticket 100-inch. Made from a solid and durable aluminium frame, it has the look and feel of a premium product at a budget-friendly price. Thanks to its contoured and wrapped frame, you get the best possible home movie viewing since the wrapping helps avoid shadows and the contouring absorbs extra light. That's particularly useful if your projector isn't positioned at the best angle. It also looks pretty good with the black frame. The Silver Ticket is a permanent mount, so it's best for anyone looking for a screen that will remain in one place, such as in a basement or rec room. With its wide 160-degree viewing angle, you'll get a fantastic picture, no matter where you're sitting. Number 2. Elite Screens Sable Frame B2 92-inch. The Elite Screens Sable Frame B2 92-inch 16:9 frame is slightly smaller than some of the other screens reviewed here and won't totally overwhelm a small room. The screen is mildew resistant and easy to clean with soap and water. It's surrounded by a black velvet aluminium frame, which is both aesthetic and functional, as it helps absorb the projector light and keep the images on the screen, rather than the wall. We also love the high-quality build and premium feel of this screen, which ensures the screen doesn't crease or wrinkle over time. Give this screen a look if you're after a top-notch, easy-to-use product that won't overwhelm a smaller room. Number 3. Elite Screens Pop 84H Pop-Up. If you're looking for a screen you can take camping or set up in the backyard, the Elite Screens Pop-Up Cinema is the one for you. We love that it's extremely lightweight and portable, easily fitting into the included carrying case. When it's movie time, you can set up the screen in no time at all. Thanks to the spring-framed system. Included stakes and support rods mean it'll stay in place outdoors, even in wind. As you would expect from a screen that folds, the screen does have a tendency to wrinkle, although this becomes less obvious once the film starts. It's not fully backed, but it does have black masking borders to prevent light from disturbing the picture. It's also easy to clean with soap and water, important for a screen you'll set up outside. Overall, the picture quality is sharp and clear. It's what anyone would expect from a screen on the lower end of the price spectrum. Number 4. Vivo 100-inch. Don't be fooled by the inexpensive price tag of the Vivo 100-inch. It packs a powerful picture punch well above its price bracket. If you're in need of a motorized screen, this one operates with an electric motor and can easily be raised and lowered with the included remote. It's large, at 60 inches in height and 80 in width, and has a 4:3 viewing area. The durable metal casing is ideal for both wall and ceiling installation, although you'll need to purchase mounting hardware separately. With a viewing angle of 120 degrees, you have plenty of room for your audience to get a good angle to view the movie, and the matte white screen diffuses light to create an accurate picture. A black backing blocks out unwanted light, and the resulting image quality is impressive. While the Vivo doesn't support active 3D or 4K video, it's still an overall great choice for anyone looking for a motorized screen at an affordable price point. Number 5. Vamvo 100-inch Portable. Hovering right around the $100 mark, the Vamvo is an incredible bargain, due in no small part to how versatile it is. It works as well indoors as it does outside, packing a pair of unique tripod legs for top-notch support that makes setting it up a breeze. There are ropes along the edge of the screen to resist even a heavy wind, and it comes with a convenient carrying case, so you can transport it in and out of your home with ease. Vamvo outdoor movie projector screen comes with a foldable stand, which can be easily assembled and disassembled without any tools. All you need to do is unfold the stand and the elastic cord inside will drive the stand to connect quickly and automatically, so you can set it up easily in less than 2 minutes. You will feel that it is convenient, and to get rid of the trouble when you use it,